Over time, your ads will become less and less effective unless you continue to update them. This is a phenomenon known as ad fatigue. The users that were initially intrigued by the ad have already clicked, investigated, and perhaps bought from you. The ones that were initially curious but did not click have slowly started to get used to the ad and now ignore it. Over time, this leads to less and less effectiveness. You need to constantly update your ads. Check out some of the examples of what I've done to update the phone ad from my earlier example. You can see I've done a simple change of color on some of them to grab people's attention again. And some of them, I've rearranged the images and wording. I have added some images as well in others. You can also try testing a different set of words that sell as well. We strongly recommend running different ad copy and thumbnails frequently to diminish ad fatigue and to test to see if your campaign can be made more effective and profitable. It is important to note that while one particular ad may be losing its effectiveness over time, the continual promotion of your brand is doing the opposite and is helping you to generate sales. The more people see your brand over time, the more they will be willing to trust it and purchase from it. So when addressing ad fatigue, make sure you keep your core branding intact. While constantly split testing and ensuring ad fatigue does not set in for your thumbnail, also be sure to constantly be making tweaks to other elements like your title while incorporating words that sell from our list. As you can see here, we've also changed our search result page image to further grab people's attention. Remember that the longer that you keep using the same images, the more people will become used to it and its effectiveness will wear off. So constantly test and see what works.